Vlogmas. Let's talk about it. So, I promised you guys 25 days of Vlogmas, 25 days of burlesque shenanigans. And what happened on day one? I did not post a damn thing. Yes, in true Vera Valentinaa fashion, I failed. You wanna know why I failed? Because life hit me in the face. Bear with me, we're gonna get to this. We're trying to establish new patterns. We're trying to do new things. In the past, I have been known as a lazy showgirl. And this month, I am not gonna be a lazy showgirl. I am going to be the most not lazy showgirl that you guys have ever seen. So here we go. 25 days of burlesque, holiday, of me, of a black and white aesthetic. Anyway, what are we doing today? We're gonna decorate my Christmas tree. Let's go. So after doing an assessment of my half-finished living room, I decided to put my Christmas tree in that corner, this corner. Look at it. Look at that sexy Christmas tree magic. So this is just a smattering of the ornaments I got. I got some more over there and some more over there. I'm gonna bring them all over so we can get started on this. But the first thing that I'm going to do is the ribbon. You put your biggest stuff on the tree first, from what I'm told. So that's why I said I'm gonna start with the ribbon and then we'll build from there. So let's see how this goes. Black and white aesthetic Christmas tree. Showgirl style, of course, because I'm doing it. So I have a whole nother roll of ribbon, and I think I'm gonna take this ribbon and put it on here. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with these filler balls, the white balls, and the black flat balls, whatever those are. I don't know, those. Can you guys see that I've added these little spray pops to the top? I'm not sure how I feel about those quite yet. I'm gonna leave them there because I think this is about where I wanna start the crown of, or the topper of my tree, and then fill in the rest of the tree. Had to take a quick break to make dinner. I'm making salmon tonight, you know, trying to be on my showgirl diet again since we've got a vaccine now, which means that showgirl real life shit should start back up in mid 2021. And your girl has not been on her job when it comes to the endurance, the conditioning, the stretching. So anyways, ooh, did I just have my boob hanging out? I don't know. Anyways, that is a topic for another video. We're gonna talk about being showgirl thick and showgirl fit, my two old hashtags that I used to use back in 2017. But anyway, back to the tree. Gotta check on the salmon. Gotta check on the salmon. The aesthetic on this tree is really coming through here. I don't know if you guys can see this black, white, gold and silver thing that's happening here, but it's working. I think this is a triumph here. I would like to add some larger balls on here somewhere. I think we need some big balls, and you guys see that I need to finish the topper. I don't know what I'm gonna do up here. The set that I bought came with this star, and I don't like it. I either wanna paint this gold, like these little doodle bops up here, or paint this black, and then get some more stuff to go up top there. So let's just pretend. Let's see. Yeah. So the rest of this stuff is gonna go up there on the banister, but we're gonna save that for later. We're gonna take a quick dinner break, and I'll be back. Boogie, boogie, Santa Claus. Boogie, boogie, Santa will boogie all your blues away. Killed this dinner, if I do say so. smashed, well, most of it. I should eat the rest of those vegetables, but I'm not hungry. I think I ate too many potatoes. Okay, so I'm gonna clean my plates, clean up the kitchen really quick, and then I wanna show you guys the photos that I got back from the photo shoot that I did in the last video. Oh, okay. Ooh, my boobs are out. Shake where you are, just shake your butt. I just wanna let you know ahead of time also, I am not above you editing the out of me. If you guys haven't seen that video yet, you need to go ahead and watch it. It's pretty darn good. It's a vlog about me traveling back to my hometown of St. Louis, doing a quick photo shoot with a friend of mine. And it's pretty awesome, and I have the finished results. Alright guys, that is my first Vlogmas video, decorating my Christmas tree and showing you guys the finished results of my photo shoot. This is just day 1/day 2 because I didn't post on day 1, so this is a combination of day 1 and day 2. I'm really excited about Vlogmas. I have the rest of the month planned out perfectly. We're gonna do some really fun things. I've got a whole bunch of topic ideas that you guys sent me on Instagram, and I'm gonna be answering those. It's gonna be a really jam-packed burlesque beauty and booty month. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video, because I don't know what time I'm gonna be uploading these videos every night, but I'm gonna be uploading them every night. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Well, look at here, Jack, jumping down the track. He's got a rhythm and a speed, but nothing is sad.